Let's go. Oh crap, I can't get up. Great.
Hey sis, look over here. I found something.
What?
It's all obsidian. Weird. Come on. I found a button. I want to press it.
Wait a minute. Don't press the button.
Why? It's right here though.
Don't
I want
press.
to press the button. Oh God! Oh no.
Maddie, what did you do? Ah! What did you do?
I pressed a button.
Yeah, that I told you not to press.
I pressed it. Oh no, I can't move. Whoa! Sissy! Whoa. Oh my gosh.
Wow. That was real smart.
I was very smart, thank you. But whoa.
Let's just press a random button when there's TNT all over the place. That's the best idea ever.
I didn't know there was TNT. I knew there was TNT. What button? That was in front of the button.
That was just real smart.
I can't move, sis.
Well, that's too bad.
I think I'm gonna blow up TNT. Oh my God! Holy crap!
Yeah, you think your view is horrible?
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! They're floating islands!
Look what you did.
Oopsies. There's a floating island, that's all I care about.
Not about all the innocent piggies you just killed.
There's piggies?
There was piggies.
Look, I found a cave. What about if there's monsters down here? I killed those, didn't I? Right.
Whatever. Well, I guess we can make our house out of this.